start a repair claim on coolerdepotUSA.com, here are the instructions. Go to our website, and on the top right corner, between search product and your shopping bag, click member sign in. What you want to do next is enter the email address. The email address that was used on the invoice when you placed the order through Cooler Depot USA. After entering the email as your username, what you want to do next is enter the password. The password that was used specifically for this account, or if you don't have a password set up, what you want to do is enter 4 zeros. This password is the default password to enter your account. Click sign in. If using a cell phone, what you have to do is click on the box with 3 lines, click on the sign in icon along with sign in, enter your username, password, and then sign in. So after signing in, what you have to do next is click orders, locate your purchase by clicking details, and right below will be an icon that reads request repair. Click request repair. In all these columns, please enter your information. Boxes such as customer company name, backup phone number, primary contact person, backup contact person, service address, description, everything must be filled in. To move forward with the repair claim, additional information is required. The first is uploading a video to YouTube, and after the video is uploaded, click share. Copy the video and paste the URL inside the product issue video link. The next step is by clicking drag and drop files here and upload your picture. After all the boxes are filled in along with the URL and pictures uploaded, a checkbox right here confirming that the information provided is accurate, click submit. If you purchase the equipment from us, but not directly from coolerdepotUSA.com and purchase from our eBay, Home Depot, Lowe's, or other platform stores, here are the instructions. Go to the website or marketplace that you purchased the equipment. For example, I'm using Home Depot. Click login, sign into your profile, and from there you can access your account along with the product that you purchased directly from our company. If you need assistance contacting our sellers from Home Depot, Lowe's, eBay, or any of our marketplaces, here is the list of contacts. After reaching out to our sellers, you can go directly to our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, to start the repair request. For all questions, give us a call, or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.